it is not so easy to get beautiful lives. To guarantee security and maintain peace are the missions of the specialty of Triangle tires. Armored riot vehicles equipped with the specialty tires of Triangle perform best in riots, anti-terrorism, and peacekeeping events. These are special members of the Triangle tires, which were produced for the most cruel environment, including high-speed protected off-road tires after bullet hit, sidewall scratch-resistant protected off-road tires, integrated off-road, desert off-road, or terrain off-road, and all-weather off-road tires. Triangle specialty tires provide vehicles and personnel with more reliable security, from its single-function protected products to multi-function double-protected products. Those high-speed protected off-road tires after bullet hit adopted innovative technology significantly refreshed the record of similar products. They can continue to drive more than 200 kilometers after the tires are damaged. Sidewall scratch-resistant protected off-road tires fill the gaps in the tire industry and are awarded China's national invention patents. This is the unique tire protected function mark of the Triangle. Whether in the war zone, the front line of violence and terrorism, scene of fire, and the front line of adventure, Triangle specialty tires with the mug have always been conducting their missions firmly.
我身后是由617厂自主研制的一台4×4装甲防雷车。我们这会儿正在库布齐沙漠搞这个沙漠专项实验。为了应对这次实验，我们对轮胎做了一些调整。一直以来给咱们独家配套的3角轮胎，这次为咱们研发了一套沙漠胎。它的排沙性能和它在整个过程中表现出来的越野性能，推动了这次咱们试验的顺利进行。谢谢3角轮胎。
We are looking forward to peace, tranquility, and happiness. We believe that the world will be much better by means of science and technology, civilization, and man's spiritual power.